exclusive. Our praises and thanks must be exclusively received by God. No? He alone deserves our worship, not the idols. Kaso lang, no, marami na tayong idols minsan eh. No? Ano yung idols? Not only those graven images na worship ng ibang tao or natin dati. But those things na nag-aagaw ng time mo para sa Panginoon, that is your idol. So ito po yun. No? Our praises and thanksgiving must be exclusive to God. He alone deserves our worship, not the idols. No, in Psalms 115 verses 4 to 8, no, makikita natin po dyan. No, and then sabi po ni Joshua in Joshua 24 verse 15, "But for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Kahit na po si Elijah, sinabi niya po dyan sa 1 King chapter 18 verse 21, na wala na pong iba, kundi Panginoon lang. No, Panginoon lang. Not even ourselves